Hello everyone. Um, Yesterday we talked about document editing, and we saw meta data and how it applies to the web page. So there are a few corrections I just want to make, or I want to buttress some points and put it like that way. So um, I I corrected it in the video, but after editing, I discovered that the size was too large. So I had to post the video like that, and hence I dedicated this video to um seeing to those issues. So the first is about the trusted attribute, and in HTML5, UTF-8 is the only um encoding that works. So take note of that. It is the only one that works. That's why we use it in HTML5. So the next is about the viewport. So the viewport is the area of the window in which the web content can be seen. So I showed yesterday during the lecture the viewport, and I showed page. So let me just try to explain that better. So let me open um, the HTML page, and you see this blank page. So our viewport is this area from here where my cursor is to this bottom part. Yeah. So that's the viewport. So most times the content that is rendered on the web page, that is the content that should be shown on the web page, is longer than the viewport. That is why the browser gives scroll bars. So that's why you can scroll and view. So all the content, some of the websites, the content cannot be fully shown on the viewport. That's the reason why there are scroll bars there. So that's that about the viewport. Then the next is the HTTP equiv attribute. So the HTTP equiv attribute cannot can also be called the HTTP equivalent attribute, and it's much more than just refresh. So you can use it for content security. We can use it for content type declaration. We can use it to specify the type of style sheet, the CSS style sheet that we want, and then also the refresh. And even the refresh it tells us, or can I say it specifies the number of seconds until the page refreshes. For example, now this example here, it specifies that within 30 seconds the page refresh. So it can also specify the number of seconds until the page redirects. For example, let me try, let me put an example so we can see it. So here it's telling us to refresh within 5 seconds. So I'm just going to add the URL and https www.microsoft.com. So in 5 seconds, it's going to take us to Microsoft on a new page. So the redirection is on a new page. So let's open now. Oh, let's see, it's going to open on the same page. So it's going to open the same page. So you can see after 5 seconds, it has redirected us to Microsoft page. So that's another thing refresh can do. So last is about favicons. Favicons or favorite icons. Um, they are icons that help. Let me put it this way: they help users to identify a website more easily. So they are very useful for website branding. And I also gave in that video that all these Facebook icons, Twitter icons, WhatsApp icons that you see. So let me just show you what favor icons are on, on the web page. So you can see here in this home, you can see this icon. So that's the favor icon. So it helps to identify your web page. I can see on the Microsoft also, you can see the icon. So those are favor icons. So those are all the corrections, or let me say the elaborations I wanted to make. So have a nice day. Thank you.